Step into the Kia 2019 Stinger GT1. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.